Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Caliber Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in myaccount.caliberhomeloans.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Caliber Home Loans. Click on sign in to my account and now you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and enter your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your password underneath within the password box and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account with Caliber Mortgage right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot your password or the forgot your username option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Caliber Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.